how to drive manual yesterday in the Barbie Z. So yes, that means the Barbie Z is finally back here in Florida. I had the car in California for a while when I had it shipped over there for an epic Microsoft shoot that we did. But I'm so glad to have this car back here in Florida because it is old reliable. It is the one drift car that is usually always working. As you guys know, I haven't been getting a lot of seat time lately because all of my cars are in the process of like being built, and this one is just built. So finally I can get some seat time in this girl in Florida, and we are actually here at the Freedom Factory, which will be the new home for the Clutch Kickers series this year. And we are here with the Z-Boys doing Z-Boy things. Everyone was mobbing these on the street all the way from the compound to the Freedom Factory. Except Ginge and Jimmy. They trailered their stuff. Everyone else was rolling on the street. It was a little scary, but I just haven't driven a drift car like on the street in so long. It's super loud in this car. We have to have like AirPods on and the music blasting, but it was fun. And I'm just excited to just get back out there again. It's been a really long time since I've had good quality seat time. Everyone's in Z's today. We're all gonna be on the same tire compound and we're gonna have some fun. I also think that we might be racing them somehow against each other on the oval, so this should be a good one. Hey, are you learning how to drift today?
Am I gonna drive?
Say yes.
Are you gonna teach me?
This is your brand new car. You can do whatever you want.
I want to drive that one though. It's Pete.
Or yeah, we can put you in the Barbie car.
Ooh. Or I don't trust you in that.
Until we paint her car pink, she can drive the Barbie
Okay.
Z.
Let me just like get a picture in front of it at least.
TJ thinks it's his car, but really
It's mine.
No,
he admitted it today.
you did. Oh, we
I just
come
hope
to
that
terms.
she gets like a little bit of a window, or maybe a window where like we can come out here just us.
Yes,
You know what I mean?
not amongst the
Not
chaos.
amongst the professionals.
The chaos.
That's
The
what I'm-
professionals.
That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping we can just.
Are you me and you?
Yes.
At the same time?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. The two newbies, but
Yeah.
we're gonna just blow everyone out of the water.
He's already trying to drift my car.
Hey, he's doing really good.
Dude, he learned manual last night, and then I was able to be like, move the car. Can you move it for me? And he got in it and moved
It
it.
was kind of weird, and I was like, oh, she's gonna have me move her cars all the time.
I know, I love it. Confirmed. We are going to be doing a drip race with the Drift 350Zs around the oval, probably towards the end of the day, so that should get pretty wild. And right now we're gonna figure out what layout we're running for today, and hopefully everyone's new cars stay mostly new. I just had my first 2 laps in the Z after not driving this car for so long. Like, what was I doing? If I am not driving this car at least once a month, please call me out. Give me crap in the comments on Instagram, Twitter, wherever it is. I need to drive this car. I love this car so much. And I'm really stoked that Clutch Kickers is coming to the Freedom Factory this season. It's gonna be really, really rad. And shout out and thank you to Cletus for just letting us take over the Freedom Factory for today. This is so much fun. Oh no. I'm sorry, Cletus. It kind of went off a little bit. Ah! We're gonna have to do some zip ties. Oh, I want to be out there so bad though. That's good enough. We're good. I love this car so much. So good. It's so good. That last lap, I really start to feel one of the tires going, because you're basically just drifting in one direction the whole time. So I'm gonna take a look at them, maybe put on different tires, and then head back out. But I miss driving this car so much. I can't say that enough. I'm on my second set of tires. I miss this car so much. I feel like I just keep repeating that because I haven't had the car here, and I really, even before the car left California, I have not been driving it, and I'm really teaching myself for that. And it's even more fun because everybody else has the same car. Like, we're basically making our own little spec 350Z series, which is really, really cool. Maybe that should be a thing. Should it be a thing? I think it should. We're doing good. So far, all the cars are still running. I think Rudnick's car was overheating. I'm not sure why. He has the newest car. He has a 370Z. That's the only one. Adam put some more love marks on people. Everyone's Z's are just now starting to look a little bit more like proper drift cars than it is. Oh.
Robin's racing, baby. That's what I like to say.
Ain't my pig, ain't my farm.
Robin's racing.
Robin's racing. Yeah, thanks. All right, so we are getting ready for our drip race now. I have a feeling this is going to be increasingly more sketchy than the Crown Vic races around here. So half of us have dropped out. Only half the Z's are entering in this grip race. It's gonna be sketchy, but we just gotta send it. That happened right at the start. Something is definitely loose in there. That was sketchy. No.
To see that footage, I might have tapped your rear bumper at one point. I was
Good.
just like, ah!
I
And then
felt
I
bad.
tried to dip down underneath you, and I'm like, mother, she's cutting me off.
I felt bad. Well, Adam and I made contact on the start. So if I ever went wide, I literally, something's loose. I felt like I was going into the wall. All right, that is a wrap on our day here at the Freedom Factory. Honestly, not as much carnage as I was expecting, but everybody being in the exact same car on the same tires is freaking amazing. We have one more track day before all the guys head back to Connecticut. Tommy's sad. His pretty car got hurt.
It did.
It got hurt. It was so pretty when he showed up here. But that is a wrap on today. Thank you again to Cletus for letting us take over the Freedom Factory. We have one more track day before everybody heads back home, and I will see you guys in the next one.